Part 10. My family. Learn English through stories.
My family. My family has for members my mom, dad, sister, and me. We love spending time together. On weekends, we watch movies or go to the park. My mom cooks delicious meals, and my dad helps with my homework. My sister and I play games together. My family is my greatest support and happiness. Point 2.
My mom. My mom is my hero. She works hard to take care of our family. She always listens to me and gives me advice. She loves to bake cookies, and I help her in the kitchen. My mom's hugs make me feel safe. I love her so much.
My dad. My dad is strong and kind. He works in an office, but always makes time for us. He tells funny jokes and teaches me new things. I love playing football with him in the backyard. My dad is my role model.
My sibling. I have a younger brother. He is funny and full of energy. Sometimes we fight, but we always make up quickly. We share toys and stories. I love having a sibling to play and grow up with.
Family dinner. Every evening, my family eats dinner together. We share stories about our day and laugh a lot. My mom makes delicious dishes, and sometimes I help set the table. Dinner time is my favorite family moment.
Family vacation. Last summer, my family went to the beach. We swam in the sea, built sandcastles, and ate ice cream. At night, we watched the stars. It was the best vacation ever. I will always remember that trip. Grandparents. I love visiting my grandparents. My grandma makes the best pancakes, and my grandpa tells amazing stories. They spoil me with love and gifts. Spending time with them is always special.
My cousins. I have 3 cousins. We have so much fun when we meet. We play hide and seek, watch cartoons, and eat snacks. They are like my best friends, and I look forward to every family gathering.
Family traditions. Every Christmas, my family decorates the tree together. We bake cookies and sing carols. On New Year's Eve, we watch fireworks. These traditions make our family bond stronger and create lasting memories.
Helping each other. In my family, we help each other. My dad helps with my homework, and I help my mom with chores. My sister helps me organize my room. Working together makes us feel closer.
My aunt and uncle are so cool. They visit us often and bring gifts. My uncle tells jokes, and my aunt teaches me how to draw. I always have fun when they are around.
Family and friends. My family and friends often come together. We have barbecues, picnics, or movie nights. It's fun to see my parents and their friends laugh while I play with my cousins. These moments are priceless.
Celebrating together. Birthdays in my family are exciting. We bake a cake, decorate the house, and sing songs. Everyone gathers to celebrate. It feels so special to be surrounded by love on these occasions.
Learning from family. I learn so much from my family. My mom teaches me kindness, and my dad teaches me honesty. My sister shows me how to share, and my grandparents teach me patience. My family helps me grow into a better person. My extended family. My extended family includes my aunts, uncles, and cousins. We meet during holidays and special occasions. It's always noisy and fun when everyone is together. I love being part of a big, loving family. Family games night. Every Friday, we have a game night. We play board games or cards and laugh a lot. Sometimes I win, and sometimes my sister does. It's a fun way to bond as a family.
Pets as family. Our dog, Max, is part of our family. He is playful and loves to cuddle. We take him for walks and feed him treats. Max brings joy to our home, and we love him dearly.
Family support. My family is my biggest cheerleader. They encourage me to try new things and never give up. When I feel sad, they cheer me up. Their love and support mean everything to me.
A day with my family. Sundays are special for my family. We wake up late, have breakfast together, and spend the day relaxing. Sometimes we play board games or go for a walk. It's the best way to end the week.
Why I love my family. I love my family because they love me for who I am. They care for me, support me, and make me laugh. My family is my home, and I feel lucky to have them.